Why your brain can't focus. In this video, I'm gonna cover some topics which is decreasing your focus and attention span. I'm not going to waste your time. Quick introduction. My name is Udit Sharma. I'm always been passionate about personal growth and self-improvement, and that's what this channel is all about. You know, I've always been that kind of person who isn't really focused or engaged during conversations, especially in conversations. My, I tend to get distracted easily and my mind still wanders. Even when I'm trying to reading a book, मैं पहले पहले बुक रीड करने की ट्राई करता था ना and I can't simply focus. Thoughts पे thoughts. Suppose you are talking to a girl. Just suppose you are talking to a girl face to face in person, or maybe like you are trying to focusing on the class, but तुम focus ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो. You're not even present to the girl that you are talking with. So the number one and most important topic is your diet. Why I'm talking about diet? Because you are what you eat, what you are putting into your body. If you're eating unhealthy processed foods, if you're eating वही जो पैकेट्स में अवेलेबल था, डिस्गस्टिंग पैकेट्स में जो अवेलेबल होते हैं, if you're eating these kind of foods, bro, then you simply can't focus. तुमने कभी खुद नोटिस किया होगा whenever you eat these kind of foods, you almost feels like lazy. You almost feels like तुम्हें खुद होता होगा feel कि like I think I should take a nap या फिर जो भी है, तुम्हें खुद नोटिस होता होगा. You almost feels like lazy, demotivated. But deep down तुम वो चीज़ notice ही नहीं कर रहे हो. You feels like you think it's okay to feel these days nowadays. It's okay to feel this way nowadays. No, it's not okay. It's not okay to feel this way. If you're not like motivated, if you're not like feel energized, it's not okay. But deep down तुम सोच ही नहीं रहे हो ये चीज़. You ate that mediocre processed food, and that's why you're feeling like this. Simpler. If you eat healthy foods like eggs, chicken, like only these kinds of healthy foods, then I guess it's better for you. If you eat these kind of foods, only these kinds of healthy foods, better for you. Then maybe like you तुम थोड़ा focus करने की try कर सकते हो. But on the other hand, if you eat these like unhealthy, disgusting foods, then I would say you have to make a change in your life. You have to make a change. If you want to improve your life now, you have to make a change. Just eliminate these kind of foods. Simple as that. Only eat healthy foods like fruits हो गए, eggs हो गए, chicken हो गया. This only these kind of foods. Now the second topic is, I guess ये भी important है, but the food I guess is the most important one. बट ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है सेकंड टॉपिक भी. द सेकंड टॉपिक इज कंटेंट कंजप्शन. I guess if you are watching short form content like YouTube reels होगी या फिर like Instagram reels होगी, if you're watching short form content, then it simply fries your dopamine receptors. It fries your dopamine receptors, which is also called G protein coupled receptors. होता बेसिकली यही है कि लाइक जब तुम शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट देखते हो, जैसे लाइक एज आई सेड कि लाइक यूट्यूब वीडियोस होगी या फिर लाइक इंस्टाग्राम रील्स होगी, जब तुम ऐसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट देखते हो, होता ही एक्चुअली जैसे सपोज तुमने एक रील देखी, डोपामिन स्पार्क किया, चार्ट है ऊपर गया, डोपामिन ऊपर गया, लाइक स्पाइक किया बेसिकली. तुमने एक रील देखी, तुम्हें थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी, तुमने सेकेंड रील देखी, स्पाइक किया वापस, थर्ड रील अगेन स्पाइक, फोर्थ रील अगेन स्पाइक. तुम रील्स बाबा देख ही रहे हो क्योंकि लाइक तुम्हारा डोपामिन स्पाइक करते जा रहा है, तुम्हें वो चीज़ वो इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है, तभी वो चीज़ तुम लाइक देखे जा रहे हो बार बार. So do you think it's okay to live like this again and again and again, day by day, day by day? You're watching short form contents, you're watching like Instagram reels. I guess no. It fries your dopamine receptors. And it's not good for your mind. Why? Because mindless scrolling बेसिकली यही होती है कि तुम शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट या फिर लाइक इंस्टाग्राम रील्स या फिर मे बी स्पेशली इंस्टाग्राम रील्स तुम देखते जा रहे हो और तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है तुमने कितनी रील्स देखी हो, तुम कितने टाइम से देख रहे हो, तुम्हें पता ही नहीं कुछ भी. यू नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट विद योर सेल्फ, यू नॉट इवन टॉकिंग विद योर सेल्फ. तुम जस्ट रील्स देखते जा रहे हो माइंडलेसली, उसे बोलते हैं बेसिकली माइंडलेस स्क्रॉलिंग. And it's not good for your mind. Why? Because mindless scrolling can condition the brain to release that dopamine receptor again and again and again. तो फिर obvious ही बात है, if your mind is asking to you कि like just open the phone या फिर like just like Instagram reels open कर लो या scrolling कर लो, तुम वो चीज़ करते रहोगे. Because your mind is asking that shit. Bro, you have to make a change. You have to make a big impact in your life. I try my best कि in the next couple of days मैं इस पे भी एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा कि like how to increase your focus and attention. I try my best in the next couple of days. It's time to take action. It's time to discipline yourself. It's time to become the best version of yourself. It's 2024. Just don't think about कि like मेरे पास टाइम कम है या फिर ये वो वगैरह, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे को ये करना, मेरे को वो करना, I have to make some money. Just don't. Relax. It's okay to feel this way. कोई जल्दी नहीं है, कोई रेस नहीं है. You have time. If you are improving yourself, you have time. Just don't think about others. Try to improve yourself first. I guess जो मैंने अभी टॉपिक्स कवर किए हैं, especially the first one is food and the second one is content consumption. आई गेस दोनों सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है एंड दोनों आई गेस सबसे लाइक काइंड ऑफ लाइक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन है. मेरे पास और भी टॉपिक्स हैं डिस्कवर नहीं है, और भी टॉपिक्स हैं बोलने को, बट आई गेस दीज आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन टू शेयर विद यू गाइस. I guess it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning. और अभी like sunrise हो रहा है. It's beautiful. World is beautiful. If you eliminate these tactics in your day-to-day life, especially disgusting foods, and eliminate your daily screen time, and the best part is you can regain your focus and attention. अगर तुम ये चीज़ करोगे, you can regain your focus, you can regain your attention. Then तुम I guess you're not even like going to wonder anything. I want you to be the best. I want it to be perfect. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.